Oscar! Hey, buddy. Hey, Fluffer. You need a new ride. You need a new whip. Maybe a Rolls Royce? That'd feel pretty nice on the Fluff, wouldn't it, bud? A Starlight headliner. It is officially time to sell the Ford Focus RS. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. Boys, we got a lot to do. We got some preliminary house shopping. And then also I am selling my Ford Focus RS. I love the car, but unfortunately my puppy Oscar, who I bought the car for, he hates it. He gets the shake and bake, the wiggly paw. The car makes him nervous because it's loud, it pops, it bangs. And so I think he needs something a tad more sophisticated. He needs something a little bit more plush, perhaps to match the Fluff. I think he needs a Rolls Royce. I really do. I know that sounds crazy, but he's my puppy and I love him, and he needs the best. He does. He's a marshmallow. I've received a lot of emails and Instagram DMs from people who want to buy my Focus RS. Unfortunately, I'm probably going to trade in the car for the new Daily because of the sales tax benefits. Now, if there's somebody who really wants the car and you want to way overpay for it, I would accept a check for $35,000, but the car's not worth that much, but it is to me because of the sales tax savings. That made sense. Yeah, that made sense. Also, I'm still a little bit sick, so if I say anything just completely off the radar, just let it slide. Please just let it slide. Also, I love you guys. I don't say that enough, but I do. And I know that's odd because yes, I'm talking to a camera, but it makes sense, I think. I'm pretty sure it does. Protect your ears. I still want to build my dream garage, but unfortunately, I cannot find a piece of land. HOAs hate this design, so we're gonna go look at some houses today that are already built, and maybe the dream, someday, one day, I'm gonna build my dream garage. It might just have to wait. If the guy driving the Honda Pilot is watching today's video, he just waved at me and I was singing a song on the radio and I feel like an idiot now. So I do apologize if I gave you a weird look. It's because I was self-conscious. So, yeah. See ya, bro. I drove the Gladiator home to Oregon for Christmas. I averaged 8 miles to the gallon. 8 on the highway with the Hellcat. When I get the Elephant, I'm gonna have 300 more horsepower. Just imagine what I get in the city. I might be getting 6 or maybe 4. I'm trying to make this humorous right now, and that's because my soul is dying a slow death right now. But I'd reckon my wallet is dying a quicker death. Here is house option number 1. Obviously still under construction, but the property is sick. Good news, bad news. Bad news, it only has a 3-car garage, but good news, the basement is unfinished. And so what I'm thinking is you put a car elevator in the garage and you refurbish the basement to be an underground car park. That's kind of the thought. Check out those views. This house is sick. So yeah, 3-car garage. I'm gonna put the floor plans right here, and you can kind of see what I mean in the basement. Basically, you put a car elevator in the main garage that drops you down to the basement, and then you could fit probably like 12 cars underground. That would be so sick. If for some reason the car elevator option didn't work, I'm thinking you build a second driveway right here, and you put like a garage door right there to open up that basement. That house is sick, and those views are unreal. So the house, like the price point, it's a little bit steep. I don't really want to say how much it is, but obviously it's impressive. It's got purple lumber. Look, that lumber is purple. That's a sign, I'm pretty sure. I guess you can't say this is a huge surprise. This is expected, boys. We have house option number 2. Once again, a smaller garage. It's got a 3-car garage, but the house looks sick, and it has a decent sized backyard where you could build a bigger garage. That place looks nice. We gotta make this quick because no parking at any time. So I'm actually looking at this property tomorrow with my realtor, but I kind of want to scope it out today to see what it looks like. This backyard is massive. You can put a huge garage back there. This house is actually $400,000 cheaper than the first house we looked at. That's like an Aventador SV Roadster. I like it. I go back and forth every single day. Like, this is what I want to build, but my biggest concern is resale value someday. But I don't need a 6,000 square foot house. I have a bed and an IKEA desk and 7 cars. Like, I just need to make a garage. I don't need to make a house, but I don't know what to do. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. We're now going to talk about the Ford Focus. Well, not really. We're not going to talk about the RS. We're going to talk about its replacement. I have some good news and some bad news about the car shopping vlog. We're going car shopping, but we're doing it online because they don't sell cool cars in Utah. Unfortunately, all the cars that we're considering for Oscar don't really exist in the state of Utah. Like, there's not a single Rolls Royce for sale in the state of Utah. Not one single Rolls Royce available. We're considering a big variety of cars. There's different price points, different styles. Ford Raptor is a big option. Tesla Model 3 is another option. Obviously the Rolls Royce, an Aston Martin Rapide. I just need to have sort of a one-on-one with Oscar and see what he really needs to fit his needs. I've always been a huge fan of the Ford Raptor, brand new right around $80,000, unless I wanted to full send it with a Velociraptor for $366. The Gladiator 6x6, the build is gonna be starting in January or February. I think, I hope, I pray. Tesla Model 3, this might be my best option for Oscar. It's quiet, it's got the performance, and from a price point, we're talking high 30s, low 40s. If I buy a Tesla Model 3, I guarantee you I will find a way to get the cringiest vanity plate ever. And also, it would offset the 2 miles to the gallon I get in the Elephant Gladiator. EcoStrad. That's the best plate idea I can come up with. The Aston Martin Rapide, I wasn't even considering this car until late last night. You can pick up a 2011 for $46,000. These were $200,000 brand new. You can pick one up for a quarter of the price. The 2008 Rolls-Royce Phantom Drophead Coupe, buy it now for $129,000. Brand new, these are $450,000. Like, only the supreme baller of the ballers drove the Phantom Drophead Coupe. We have the Rolls-Royce Wraith, the 2015, brand new, for $324,000. Buy it now for $139,900, and it has the Starlight headliner. My biggest question with the Rolls-Royce, can I pull that off? I wear $9 shorts. I shop at Old Navy. Like, I don't know if I can pull off a Rolls Royce. Do you guys like the Wraith or do you like the Drophead Coupe better? Let me know what you think in the comments below. So we got a couple options. I'm still considering other options, so if you have any good ideas, let me know in the comments below. We got a big spectrum. We got a big price range. We just need the car to be spacious and quiet for Oscar. I'm sure a lot of you guys are triggered and you're typing below, how can I let a fluffy puppy in a Rolls-Royce Phantom Drophead Coupe? But just look at him, he's so cute. He's the guy, he's my marshmallow. Right, Oscar? You want a Rolls-Royce? Yeah, you need some good British fine leather in your life, don't you, bud? Yes, you do. Yes, you do, Pa. Good boy. Yep, you're getting rolls. Quick change of pace. We have a spin class appointment with Stefan from 8080 in the Aventador. We'll talk more about the daily when we get home. There's only 3 goals. Do not crash, do not kill Stefan, and do not end up in the ditch or the reservoir. So it looks pretty technical, but it's very simple in theory. You just sort of spin the car, you sort of tap the throttle and turn. I got so close to you on that one. Yeah, sorry, Stefan. I'm never sure, I can't help myself. Okay, I'm just trying to be a hero with the doors open. I don't know why I have a towel in my Aventador.
It's for this reason.
But it's for this reason. Exactly. We did well though. We got some good spinach. That was not bad. Like, I'm getting better. Like, it's early on in 2020 and I'm improving. I'm still not amazed. Oh, we're spinning. We're spinning. Stefan's getting nauseous. We're good, we're good, we're good. The speedo is like 35 miles an hour. Okay, so I don't actually know, like, are donuts against the law? Like, would my probation officer be upset? I mean, we're in a safe, controlled environment. We're good.
I think you'd let it slide.
Yeah, we're good. We're just sliding, boys. We're just sliding. Okay, we're gonna get lost. No, one more time. Oh, boy. Okay, that was sick. That was sick. Are you kidding me? Yes, yes, yes. We got it.
Started to slide. I thought for sure we were going into the parked cars. Continued to slide and Ken blocked all the way home.
That was unreal. I could never recreate that if you like tried. Timing. And again. I was dropping Stefan off here at 8080 and Casey looked at me and he's like, You want to shoot some flames? So.
And you need a car wash.
I know, I'm sorry. We did, Stefan and I did very well. We did very, very good. Yep, we're good. I don't know how to say this, guys. I forgot my headphones. We're 2 videos in, and I forgot them. So headphone users, take care of your ears. Yeah, boys, it's fire season in January in Utah.
That was spicy.
That was spicy. You heard it from Casey, spicy. Okay, Casey's out here in a t-shirt, washing the Aventador, just trying to flex the forearms on the whole audience. Jeez.
Alright, I got small wrists too, James. Small wrist gang.
I'm trying to get stronger wrists, boys. Like, that's my main goal 2020. I just don't know how to work out your wrists. Like, how do you work out your wrists? You can't. Like, these were the wrists that God gave me, boys. I'm stuck. There's nothing I can do.
Deal with the cards you're dealt with.
I know a lot of you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, but like 2 months ago on Instagram, there was this hater who made fun of everything about my life, including my small wrists. I don't have impressive wrists. I'm sorry about that. I just don't. I don't.
Bro, you gotta finish the video. People demand it. What do you got?
Can't I get a little peace and quiet? I'm hanging out my fluff.
No, you're vlogging. Finish the video.
Oh, fine. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.